the lazy way to make money online, with less efforts for beginners. In this video, I will show you the laziest methods to earn money online, especially for beginners. They are accessible across the globe. What exactly are they? We'll soon find out. This is by far the easiest method to earn money online. Additionally, only a tiny % of the people who watch my videos actually sign up. It's not expensive and you're able to reconsider at a later time. So I'll inform you when I've got an exciting and innovative method to earn money online. This way, you will be among the first people to utilize the strategy. So, you will definitely earn more money. Are you looking to start earning income online while being a novice, but aren't able to find an effective strategy yet? If yes, then you're in the right spot. Today, I'll demonstrate a number of applications that can help you earn a decent income immediately after watching this video. The great thing about it is that you don't need to work for yourself. This is why I'll show you 2 passive and active sources of income. Also, I'll demonstrate 2 apps that can make you money by doing nothing, as well as an application that can pay you handsomely by watching videos. That way you'll be able to earn more money with the use of both active and passive streams of income. We'll now move to the first application. Tell me in the comments section, which is your preferred method of payment. This way I'll be able to ensure that each and every video I publish is geared toward you. Don't forget to remember that I'll provide special bonus tips that can enable you to earn twice or even triple the amount in comparison to other people. Therefore, make sure to stay to the end and watch through to the very end. Let's jump right into the first application. The first one on our list is ScreenLift.io. How does this app work and how do you get paid? You can find out immediately when you arrive at their homepage that you'll first be able to personalize your screen on the first page and personalize your screen using our exclusive features. This is the only app I've ever seen that rewards you in this way. So it's quite unique. You will simply use your phone as you usually do. You will also be paid. The amount you receive is contingent on how often you make use of your phone. I'm sure many of you use it often. Earn lifts every when you check your phone and then cash it out in real cash. You will earn these lifts which you are able to exchange for real cash. It's that simple. This is an excellent application to make use of and you can get money even if you don't intend to or aren't able to invest in it. You can just turn it off and continue using your phone as normal. It's amazing that, through this app, you earn money for things every day on regular basis. Below you will find reviews that you can look through should you wish to. To see what users have to say about the application, look at these reviews over on Google Play as well. You can see, it's been given a 3.7 rating which is quite decent. There's nothing extraordinary about it, however, it's not terrible either. One thing that's kind of a downer for this application is that it doesn't appear to be available on iOS devices at the moment, however, this could be changed in the future. For now, you get an Android version. In terms of payment, it is possible to pay using PayPal and I've learned from my own comments that a lot of you would love. Therefore, PayPal is available in this application. The other application on our list which will pay you an income stream that is passive is GetSlideJoy.com. The app operates in a completely different manner in comparison to the first one that is listed here. It will show you ads. Advertisers pay for this app to be able to reach the maximum number of people they can. Additionally, SlideJoy will give a portion of that revenue to individuals similar to you. The method of working on your smartphone is easy. When you slide left, it will display information about the advertisements. Sliding upwards, it will display additional ads. When you slide to the right, you'll be taken to the home screen. They will also pay you to cash in real time. In terms of payments, below, you'll check out the way you are paid. In the first place, you can use PayPal which is the preferred payment method, I believe most of us would select. However, you can also donate the earnings you make to help other people. I think this is extremely wonderful. Again, as previously mentioned, there's no iOS version of the app available right today. But, I believe they make up for it with the excellent reviews that they post on this site and the sheer quantity of it. They have more than 100,000 reviews. That's why it's an app that is popular. Popular apps, as a rule, aren't able to be scamming customers but still get an overall rating of 3.7 stars, as shown below. After all, this is said and completed. I would like you to remember something in the back of your mind. The 2 apps mentioned above won't bring you wealth. Don't be expecting unrealistic results. Simply that you're not doing anything, and you're being money for nothing. Therefore that money you earn isn't life-changing. So, I've got an app that pays you more, but you'll be required to perform some work. If you're enjoying this video, which I've invested a significant amount of effort and time into actually completing, I would be grateful if you hit the like button and ensure you sign up with a notification. Let's go back to the bonus application. This bonus app is s1.wintub.com. The name of the app is like YouTube isn't just a coincidence, not at all. You can earn money for watching videos. What I like about these videos is their variety. You won't get bombarded with the same advertisements every time. However, they will offer a variety of videos, which include TV shows and movies that are interesting and enjoyable to enjoy. Earning money from this will not be a problem, which is the norm with similar applications. The best part with watching the video is, you do not need to go through them. You can come on here, play a video, and then do something else, then return, play a new video and do something else. This is the reason why, as some of you know, that watching videos is among my favorite ways to earn money online. The fact that there aren't just ads to view is what makes this application distinct. This makes being paid much more enjoyable. But, as you'll see on the right side, you won't be paid for watching videos. The act of referring your friends to you is the best way to get paid, even if you don't have the time to devote to watching these videos. The way to get the money is through PayPal in the majority of cases. However, there are other options accessible. You can look up their partners. Just below is the Start button, which you need to click to join this application. So that I will show you exactly the way it appears and the amount you'll get paid. This is how your app will look when you log into your new account. As you will see, you'll get $5 just for creating an account, which is amazing. Below you will find the video you need to go through and the amount of money you receive. It's not a large amount, however, it can quickly increase when you've watched these videos. Again, you don't need to be watching the videos and let them run. Switch off the audio while doing something else, and return later, to play the next video. Additionally, combining this app together with the other two apps I have shown you earlier will add the number to your earnings, and that's why I recommend that you utilize the 3 apps to earn money. It's completely free and no experience is needed at all. Leave a comment and post your opinions in the comments below. For more videos similar to this, just click the subscribe button and make sure you click the bell that sounds like a notification. Thank you for watching.